Welcome to introductory explanation on EnBiC2-Lab project Excel soil workflows. First, sign in our website and choose the available services option. Then, go to Soil and right then, click on Workflows. In this video, we will refer to those workflows from Excel files. You can find them on the second level, just after clicking on Soil. Now, in the Workflow Information section, we can see different data for the specific workflow. In this case, our workflow represents a geostatistical analysis about different variables obtained from soil samples such as aggregate stability, organic matter, organic carbon, bulk density, percentage of soil particles, hydrophobicity, electrical conductivity, and pH, with the purpose of getting and distinguish different physiochemical characteristics of the soil. Now, if you click on here, you can download an Excel file to get an example and execute the workflow. It has several soil samples organized according to the document files and to the value of the mentioned variables. Moreover, we can see the labeling and info about georeferenciation for each sample. Finally, if the workflow execution is successful, we can get visual results such as the correlation matrix heat map, the scree plot, the scatter plot, and the covariance matrix. Now, we can see the scree plot, which shows the best number of components and the PCA visualization thanks to the scatter plot. The latter will represent a point cloud for two selected components. In this picture, we see the correlation matrix, which shows the correlation between each variable for this study. And in the last example, we get the covariance matrix, whereby we'll learn the correlation every variable keeps with every component. We conclude our tutorial on one of the Excel soil workflows for the EnBiC2-Lab website. We hope you find this explanation very helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for your attention.